do. Now I can't say I'm proud of all of the things that I've done, but I can't say I've never intentionally hurt anyone. Yes, I've always been different, with one foot over the line, winding up somewhere one step ahead or behind. Now it ain't been so easy, but I guess I shouldn't complain, 'cause I've always been crazy, but it's kept me from going insane. Now, beautiful lady, are you sure that you understand the chances you're taking, loving a free living man?